Hi, welcome to Idrivesafety. We offer Australia's most successful senior driver training system with highly educated and caring occupational therapists, backed by Australia's highest trained and most effective driving coaching team. Age is not a valid reason to give up driving or the independence and freedom it brings. Even research shows having a licence increases well-being in seniors. Idrivesafety developed a comprehensively different and successful approach to assisting seniors to retain or regain their licence and keep driving significantly longer. Idrivesafety has a proven history with significantly more success with seniors than the instruction industry. Delivering research and evidence-backed driver education, research shows seniors are very capable of learning to drive to the standard required for a driving assessment, when Idrivesafety 5-star driver education system is the training foundation. Just because we are driving crash-free does not automatically mean we are driving to the standard required to pass an assessment. Idrivesafety occupational therapists are not only highly educated and caring, but backed by Australia's highest trained driving coaches, delivering effective driver education solutions using an award-winning curriculum to manage your needs in a caring and patient methodology. Idrivesafety Senior clients have the most successful return to driving results in Australia. Please call or email our administration team and let us help you to stay driving. Call 1-800-956-999 or email our team at info@idrivesafety.com.au.